That really depends on the charge itself, whether it's in summary court, magistrate municipal court, whether it's in general sessions court, but it also depends on the nature of the charge. You can have even a low-level charge sometimes take much longer than other charges. There's so many factors of who the prosecutor involved is in the case, the court that it's in. There's just so many things. So the nature of the charge, the prosecutor, the court, whether there's a significant backlog, whether you're going to trial. So it's a very difficult question to answer. I hate to give the lawyer it depends, but there's so many factors that go into it. Some cases can be resolved quickly. Others are going to take time because of so many other factors that go into it. Now, the good thing is, if a case does take time, that's not necessarily in a person's worst interest, because it's not. It sometimes can be in their best interest, because a case isn't going to get better for the government with time. In other words, the evidence shouldn't change for the better in terms of the government. Now, during that time, you want a lawyer who's going to be working the case, investigating, negotiating, doing all the things necessary to try to end the case, to try to get the case resolved. But ultimately, outside of filing a speedy trial motion, working the case from a in-depth perspective can take time. So it's unfortunately not a set amount of time. I can't say 30 days, 180 days. It's just not set up in that set way.